Hello everyone, Carson here, back on New York Times Sudoku. Today is October 24th, 2023. Yeah, let's get today's hard Sudoku started. So first of all, up here I see these 4s pointing left. This can't be a 4 because of this one. So I think I'm just gonna... Okay, never mind. I don't really see much up here, except for the 4s, sorry. I don't know why this is an ongoing problem, but sometimes I just click, and then it randomly brings me back to the previous page. I don't know why, I can't help it, sorry. Okay, I see these 2s, they point down. This also sees a 2, so 2 is placed here. And these 2s point right, so they go here. These 2s go here. This can't be a 2 because it sees this one. Okay, I think that's it for 2s. Yeah, whenever I see a digit, I'm gonna follow up. Like I'm gonna see whether that digit can help in the entire board. So for example, these 9s, they point right. It's actually placed here because this sees a 9. Also, 9 is placed here, and then 9 is placed here. This can't be a 9 because of here, because of that one. And then the remaining 9s, these point down, and also these as well. So yeah, whenever I see something involving a specific digit, I would look at that digit all over the board and, try to get as much information from that digit, as much information as possible. So yeah, that's my normal approach. And if you have noticed, the 9 took away one of the possibilities for where the 4 can be, so this is the only open cell left for 4, so we can place that. I see these 3s, they point left. These 3s as well. Oh, okay, so, yeah, this is something you would want to look for as well. Whenever a row, column, or a box, whenever there are only a few or small amount of cells left, you can think of what digits go in those cells. So for example, column 7, So for example, column 7, there are 4 open cells left, and the digits that go in the 4 cells are 2, 4, 5, and 6. And these 2 cells, C2 and 6. So 2 and 6 must go in these 2. And then these 2 are for 4 and 5. This sees the 5, so 4 and 5 are placed like this. And then you can follow up. These 5s point left, but this cell also sees that 5, so this 5 is placed. What else? We can see that these 5s point right. These 5s, they point up. Alright, what about the 4? Yeah, the 4, after I place this 4, you can see that this 4 points down with this 4 pointing left. 4 must go in one of these 2, and you can actually spot a 2-4 pair because both 2 and 4 are forced to be in one of these 2 cells. So we've got 2 places for 2, 2 places for 4. Those 2 digits must go in these 2 cells. So none other digits can go in those 2 cells because it's reserved for 2 and 4. If we do place a 3 here, then we will break the puzzle because there would not be enough space for 2 and 4. Okay, hope that is clear. And I also want to see what digits go in these 3 cells for the remaining cells in the box. 1, 3, and 8 I don't really see any digits that see the cells. Oh, okay, so after I got this 2-4 pair, the 6 is now forced here because it can no longer go in these two. All right, and then these two are 1 and 8. So I'll just mark that down. For this row 4, 1, 2, and 8. No, not 2, because 2 is placed already. 1, 7, and 8. Okay, so only this cell sees the 8. The others are normal. Right, 1, 3, 8. Then, okay, yeah. So these 4s point left, this 4 points down. So 4 must go here for this box, and then it can kind of follow up. Oh, my goodness, how am I so blind to not see this 4? Alright, apologies. But these 4s do point down. Okay. So this is 1, 3 only. Alright, good progress. These 8s point right. Okay, what about this column? First, you just first think about it first. You just, oh my god. You think about it first. You don't have to immediately mark down the digits that can go in these cells, but just think about it first. 1, 3, 7, and 8 go in those cells. So this is the 1, 8. This is 3, 8. So this is 1, 7. 1, 3. Wait, 1, 3, 7, 8. So these two cells don't see any of those digits. So I can actually just leave that alone and kind of move on. What about this column? 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alright. Can actually think of this box as well. Okay, 1, 3, 6, 7. Right, 1, 3, 6, 7. 1, 3, 6, 7. 1, 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. Okay, so what I've noticed that is 1 for this column, for column 1, must go in box 1. So these can't be 1s. What about this column? 1, 7, 8. Yeah, alright, so in column 4, the digits that go in the remaining 3 cells are 1, 7, and 8, and this cell sees 1 and 8, so this must be the 7. And then we got 1, 8 remaining. 7's now point left, so this is a 3, 6. Alright. And then the 3's go here. Go in one of those two. These point right as well. And the last one that fills the triple. Let's see, which one is it? Yeah, the 6. The 6 points up as well. So this is a 3, 5, 6 triple, but actually it's not really. It's just a 5, 6 pair because this cell sees both 5 and 6, so we can place the 3 here. Oh my goodness, I'm so sick and tired of the bug. Alright. And these 3, 1, 7, 8 triple. Okay. Oh, and yeah, after I place this 3, this 3 is placed there. Alright, so we can get rid of these 3s. What about these cells, 4, 5, and 9? Okay, that pattern does not help. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with this? Okay, for this box, for box 8, 1, 4, 1, 4, 6, and 9. 1, 4, 6, and 9. I mean, is it really worth marking? Might not necessarily be. You know what, I'm just gonna fill these. Okay, 1, 4, 6, and 9. So 1's go here. 4's go in one of these two. 6 can go in one of these 3. The 9 in one of these two. I might need some time to see what I'm missing. Oh, okay. Well, I just thought about the digits that go in this row, and actually, I just found a naked single. Because this cell, what digits does this cell see? It sees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So every other digit than 7 see the cell. So it can only be 7. Because it sees 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Can only be 7. Because it can't be anything else. So that forces the 1 to be here. 7, 1 places all of these digits. So, alright. Got a lot of information here. It's no longer 1. Alright, I think that's about it. Alright. Oh, and 8 must be placed here. Okay. And now, I think, yeah, these 8s play left, so 8 goes here, and then the last 8 for the box, for the board, goes here, because the cell sees this 8. So 8s are done. And the good thing about these markings is that, like for me, I usually mark down digits that only go in two possible cells, unless it's a triple or something. Then, yeah, except for that. Apart from that, I would only mark digits if they go in 2 possible cells. So this 8 removes one of the possibilities for 9. So the only open cell left for 9 is this one. Same thing works for the 5. And then the 4. Then places all of these. I want to be really careful because I don't want to mess up. This 4 points up, 2 and 4. This is a remaining 6, and then goes like that. These 6s point up with this one seeing 6, goes here. 5 and 6, like this. 6s are done, 4, 6, 8, and 9 are done. And then the last cell for the column, 1, so that points left, 7 and 1 like that. Don't think I would need to explain these because, you know, just basic Sudoku rules. Okay, these 3, 2, 5, 7. You're joking me. You're absolutely joking me. Alright, this is yeah, these two are 5 and 7, the C is 5. 7, 5, 2, 7. 7s are done. And then, maybe 5s? Yes, 5 must be here. 3, 1, 1, 1. Alright, so it's completed today's New York Times Hard Sudoku in 15 minutes. I think for hard puzzles, under 20 minutes is already a good time. Any key spots for this Sudoku puzzle? Yeah, I think just spotting in column 7, the 2, 6 and the 4, 5 pairs. So yeah, actually that was right off the bat. 2, 6 and 4, 5 in column 7. That led on to a lot of info in the middle. So yeah. And what else? What else did I see that caused the end? Don't remember. I think it was something that caused it in the bottom here. Oh yeah, the naked single 7 at the bottom right corner. Naked single 7. Yeah, I think those were the key spots, but still, to me, at least to me, this hard puzzle was kind of straightforward compared to others, I guess. So yeah, not that difficult, so I hope you could manage as well. And yeah, that's about it for Sudoku today. Today is October 24th, 2023. I'm gonna see you all in tomorrow's New York Times Hot Sudoku solved. Bye!